Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey that contrasts the grandiose charm of historic mansions with the sleek, futuristic allure of modern smart homes. Imagine the opulent Vanderbilt mansion, with its sprawling ballrooms and intricate designs, side by side with the cutting-edge smart homes of today, where technology seamlessly integrates with everyday living. This comparison not only highlights the architectural and technological advancements over time, but also sheds light on the evolving definition of luxury. If you're enjoying the journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury comparisons, and drop us a comment on what you'd like to see next. And be sure to share this with anyone who loves a good dose of elegance and innovation. As we delve into this fascinating juxtaposition, we'll explore some of the most iconic historic estates and compare them to the latest in smart home technology. We'll also uncover the stories behind these majestic homes and see how luxury real estate has transformed from classic grandeur to modern innovation. Let's dive in and discover how these two worlds of luxury living stack up against each other. First, let's step back in time and explore the majestic world of historic mansions. These estates were once the epitome of opulence, designed to impress and leave a lasting legacy. Here are 5 of the most iconic historic mansions that still capture the imagination. 1. The Vanderbilt Mansion. The Breakers. Our first stop is the Breakers in Newport, Rhode Island, a stunning example of Gilded Age opulence. Built in 1895 for Cornelius Vanderbilt II, this mansion is a marvel of Italian Renaissance-inspired architecture. The Breakers features 70 rooms, including a grand ballroom that could easily accommodate the entire city of Newport. The Vanderbilt family, known for their immense wealth, spared no expense in designing this architectural gem. With its lavish interiors, elaborate woodwork, and exquisite furnishings, the Breakers represents the pinnacle of luxury during the late 19th century. It's so grand that it could make even the most impressive European castles look like cozy cottages. 2. Biltmore Estate. Next on our tour is the Biltmore Estate in Asheville, North Carolina, the largest privately owned house in the United States. Completed by George Washington Vanderbilt II in the late 19th century, the estate spans 250 rooms, including an opulent ballroom and an impressive library with over 22,000 volumes. The Biltmore Estate is designed in the style of a French chateau, with its sprawling gardens, a winery, and a working farm. George Vanderbilt's vision was to create a self-sufficient estate that combined luxury with functionality. With its vast size and grandeur, the Biltmore is a testament to the Vanderbilt family's enduring legacy and their commitment to luxurious living. 3. Hearst Castle. Moving on, we have Hearst Castle, a lavish estate perched on a hilltop in San Simeon, California. Designed by architect Julia Morgan for newspaper magnate William Randolph. Hearst, the castle features 165 rooms, 127 acres of gardens, and a collection of art and antiques from around the world. Completed in 1947, Hearst Castle was the epitome of Hollywood glamour, attracting the era's biggest stars and socialites. With its opulent decor, luxurious amenities, and panoramic views, Hearst Castle is a symbol of the extravagant lifestyle of the early 20th century. If you're hosting a party here, you might need a separate mansion just for the guest list. 4. Versailles. No discussion of historic luxury estates would be complete without mentioning the Palace of Versailles in France. Originally a hunting lodge, it was transformed into a symbol of royal extravagance by Louis XIV in the 17th century. The palace boasts 700 rooms, 2,000 windows, and 250 acres of meticulously landscaped gardens. Versailles represents the zenith of Baroque architecture and design, with its grand halls, ornate ceilings, and luxurious furnishings. The palace was designed to impress and overwhelm, and it certainly lives up to that reputation. Even if you managed to visit every room, you'd still need a second lifetime to explore the entire estate. 5. Monticello. Last but not least, we have Monticello, the iconic home of Thomas Jefferson in Virginia. Designed by Jefferson himself, Monticello combines classic architectural styles with Jefferson's personal touch. Completed in the early 19th century, the estate reflects Jefferson's interest in classical design and his vision of an ideal American home. Monticello is known for its innovative use of space and its harmonious integration with the surrounding landscape. Jefferson's home is a symbol of early American elegance and a testament to his architectural genius. If you're ever in Virginia, a visit to Monticello is a must. It's a piece of American history wrapped in classic design. Now, let's shift gears and take a look at the latest in modern smart homes. These high-tech residences are all about integrating technology with comfort, convenience, and style. Here are 5 contemporary smart homes that showcase the cutting edge of real estate technology. 1. The One. First on our modern tour is The One, an ultra-luxurious mansion located in Bel Air, California. Designed by architect Paul McLean, this 105,000-square-foot property includes 21 bedrooms, a 30-car garage, and a 400-foot-long infinity pool. It's the epitome of modern luxury and innovation. The One features a fully integrated smart home system, allowing homeowners to control lighting, temperature, and security with just a touch of a button. With its futuristic design and state-of-the-art technology, living in The One is like stepping into your own personal sci-fi movie. The home is so advanced that even if you're a tech enthusiast, you might need a crash course to navigate all its features. 2. Bill Gates' mansion, Xanadu 2.0. Next up is Xanadu 2.0, the impressive smart home of Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates. Located in Medina, Washington, this mansion is worth around $130 million and is equipped with the latest technology. The home features a computerized system that adjusts lighting, temperature, and even the music based on the occupant's preferences. Gates' mansion is so advanced that you'd probably need a degree in computer science just to figure out how to use all its features. With its cutting-edge design and smart home capabilities, Xanadu 2.0 represents the pinnacle of modern luxury living. If you think your home is smart, just wait until you see Gates' mansion. It's like the ultimate tech playground. 3. The Edge. The Edge, owned by media mogul Barry Steinhardt, is located in Amsterdam and is renowned for its green technology. With an advanced climate control system and a building management system that maximizes energy efficiency. The Edge is a model for sustainable luxury living. The home is so green that you might feel guilty using too much electricity. If only the plants could thank you personally for their new, eco-friendly home. The Edge demonstrates how modern luxury can be both stylish and environmentally conscious. It's a perfect example of how high-tech homes can contribute to a more sustainable future. 4. The Glass House. Designed by architect Philip Johnson, the Glass House in New Canaan, Connecticut, is a minimalist masterpiece. Completed in 1949, this home features floor-to-ceiling glass walls and an open floor plan that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. While not a smart home in the traditional sense, the Glass House represents innovative design and a forward-thinking approach to architecture. Its transparent design is so open that if you're having a bad hair day, you might want to think twice before opening those curtains. 5. The Future House. Last but not least is the Future House, designed by architect Michael Young and located in Hong Kong. This cutting-edge smart home features a fully automated system that controls lighting, climate, and security. The home's sleek design and high-tech materials create a futuristic living experience that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Future House is so advanced that even the Jetsons would be envious. With its innovative features and futuristic aesthetics, this home represents the pinnacle of modern luxury and technology. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the majestic world of historic mansions and the high-tech marvels of modern smart homes. Whether you're captivated by the classic grandeur of a Vanderbilt mansion or intrigued by the futuristic appeal of a smart home, it's clear that luxury real estate has evolved in fascinating ways. From the opulence of the past to the innovations of the present, luxury living continues to push boundaries and redefine what it means to live in style. So, which era wins your heart? The grandeur of historic estates or the cutting-edge technology of today's smart homes? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through luxury real estate. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that explore the world of high-end living. We'll see you next time with more fascinating insights and inspiring stories from the world of luxury.